Welcome to Chiro World. We upload a variety of chiropractic adjustment videos to educate our viewers on the health benefits of chiropractic care. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Right and left, does that still feel the same? Okay, nice and gentle breathing. I'm gonna take a deep breath in, good, and out. Good. In this direction again, and your hips down like this. Let that go. Okay, laying back first, nice and gentle. We're gonna follow the breath out.
Oh, wow. Ah. It's crazy what that feels like. Holy crap. It's crazy the sensation.
To book
you
an
get
appointment with
afterwards.
these chiropractors,
It's like a
you can check the
tingly,
link in the
warm
description.
Two, this is all at the top. 2, 2, 3. Good. Okay, nice and gentle, Maddie, just following the breath. Good.
Getting ready for the big one to crack. Oh my god.
Thank you for watching. We hope that you found this video informative. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable videos like this. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.